How to change your password or Samsung phone. So if you want to change your Samsung phone password, this is your Samsung phone unlock password or pin or pattern. If you don't want to use your fingerprint, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your password on your Samsung phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings. Now, once you open the settings, on the settings page, just scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to lock screen and HOD. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you select lock screen and HOD, locate security lock type and then click on it. Once you click on security lock type, go ahead and confirm your PIN or pattern or password. Once you confirm that, hang on and click on continue. Then here you have access to your security type. If you are using PIN, to change your Samsung PIN, just click on PIN. Then here, remember this PIN. If you forgot, you need to reset your phone and all that will be erased. Then at least 6-digit PIN is recommended. I always prefer to use 4-digit PIN. Once you're done, click on continue. Then confirm the PIN again, click on OK. Now, if you are using password, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on password. Then your password must contain at least 4 characters, including 1 letters. So go ahead, type in your password. Then click on this eye icon to review your password for confirmation. Then click on continue. Repeat the password again. And click on OK. Then here, your password will be set and it will be changed. So you can go back again to the password page by typing the password. And then click on password under security lock type. And then type in your new password. So type in your new password again. Click on continue, then confirm the password again. Click on OK. Now, this is going to change your password on your Samsung phone. So that is basically how to change your password on Samsung phone. And when next you want to unlock your Samsung phone without using your fingerprint, then you'll be prompted to type in your password. Now, you just need to go ahead, type in the new password, and then click on done. So you see incorrect password, type again. If your password is incorrect and you could not remember it, the only solution to this is for you to reset your Samsung phone to default. And that is the way to go. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.